Hello my dear students, today we will be doing ledger. So what is ledger? Now ledger is a continuation of journal. Now from journal we prepare various ledger accounts like cash account, purchase account. So we will prepare ledger account. So today we will learn how to prepare different ledger accounts. So let us see first of all the format of ledger account. So suppose if you are preparing cash account, so cash account will write just above, then the format will be date, particulars, JF, journal folio. Okay, in journal entry we used to write LF, ledger folio. Now in ledger account we will write JF, that is journal folio. Okay, then rupees, then again date, particulars, rupees. So this is credit side, so we write CR, and this is debit side, so we write DR. Okay, and whenever we write transaction on the debit side, we write to cash, to purchase. Okay, the starting will be with 2, and whenever we are writing any transaction in the credit side, so we'll write by cash or by bank. Okay, by salary. Okay, so we'll start the transaction by writing by cash, by purchase, by sale. Okay, and when we are writing in 2, like to cash, to sales, to bank. Okay, so on the debit side we start with 2, and in the credit side we start with by. So this was the format of ledger. Now let us see cash account. Now how to prepare cash account from journal. Now since it is cash account, we will see those entries where cash account is given. So in the first entry it is cash account debit to capital account. So here cash is there, so this entry will be posted in this ledger, cash account. So in cash account, let us see cash. So it is cash account, so we will just follow cash. So now what is cash? Cash has been debited. No, cash account debit. So cash has been debited. So we'll come to the debit side. Okay, we'll record the transaction on the debit side. So it is debited by capital. So we'll write to capital account. What is the date? Jan 1. So first we'll write 2020, then Jan 1. 1st January to capital. So what is the amount? Just we'll see what is the amount straight towards capital, that is 9 lakh. So we'll write in the rupees column 9 lakh. Okay, now again we'll see where cash is there. Okay, in second entry cash has been credited, so we'll come to the credit side. Okay, we'll come to the credit side. Since cash is credited here, so we'll come to the credit side. So in the above it was debited, so we came in the debit side. So now it is credited, so we'll come to credit side. Now cash has been credited by purchase. So now we'll start the entry by buy. So we'll write buy. Now by which account it is credited? Purchase. So we'll write buy purchase account. So what is the amount? 30,000. Clear, students? Now again let us see where cash is there. Okay, in third entry also there is cash. Now again cash has been credited. By which account? Salary. So cash has been credited, so will come on the credit side. So it is credited by salary. So we'll write by salary account. What is the amount? 10,000. Now sorry, I forgot to write date. It was Jan 2. So we'll write Jan 2, and it was Jan 4. Okay, this entry is done, and the last entry again cash has been debited. So we'll come to the debit side. Okay, we'll come to debit side. It is debited by sales. So we'll write to sales account. So what is the amount? 40,000. What is the date? Jan 6. So this way we have prepared the cash account. Now the last thing which is very important in preparing ledger, that is balancing a ledger account. So how to balance the ledger account? Now we have to be careful which side has greater balance. Suppose in cash account I think debit. So debit is greater, that is 9 lakh plus 40, that is 9 lakh 40,000, and in credit side is only just 40,000. So the whichever side is greater will put that amount in both sides. Suppose here it is 9 lakh 40,000. So I'll put 9 lakh 40,000 in both columns. So 9 lakh 40,000, 9 lakh 40,000. So we'll close this amount by first line, then again double line. First line, then again double line. Now what we will do? Now this is the total on the both sides. Now which side is smaller? Obviously this side. So it is 40,000 only. So what we will do? 30 plus 10 is 40,000. 40,000 minus this 9,40,000. So any amount, okay, because we are writing this greater amount in both sides. Okay, now 30,000 plus 10,000, 40,000. So 40,000 minus 9 lakh, 40,000 will be 9 lakh. So it will be 9 lakh, and just towards it we'll write by balance CD, carried down. CD means carried down. So to by balance, carried down. So this is your balance at the end of the month or year. Okay, so by balance CD. Now again this CD will come to the opposite direction, that is on the debit side. We'll write same to balance. It is CD, so we'll write here BD, that is brought down. Okay, same amount 9 lakh. So your ledger is cash account is complete. So this is the process of preparing ledger. Now one more we'll see. Let us make purchase account. Okay, now how to make purchase account. Okay, now we'll see purchase account. So same format, date particulars JF rupees, date particulars JF rupees, debit side, credit side. Okay, now as you all know that whichever transaction we are recording on debit side, we will start with 2, and whichever transaction we are starting, whichever transaction we are doing in credit side, we start with by. Okay, now let us see the purchase account. So purchase account means we'll just see where purchase account lies. So here we don't have purchase. Okay, in Jan 2, in second entry we have purchase. So purchase account is debit. Now purchase account is debit. So we'll come to debit side. Okay, so it is debited by cash. So we'll write to cash account. What is the date? Jan 2. First you can write 2020. Okay, no need to write year everywhere. Only just in first entry you write year. So Jan 2. So to cash account. So what is the amount of purchase? 30,000. So it will come 30,000. Okay, now anyway purchase, no, there is no purchase. Okay, now done. So no entries are there, just we'll close this entry. So how to close? As we all know that here we don't have any amount, means 30,000 is greater amount. So we'll put 30,000 on both sides, means in debit and in credit. 30,000. So 30,000. Now where there is shortfall of amount, where there is deficit, this side amount is less. So there is 0, nothing means 0. So we'll put CD this side. So we'll write by balance CD. How much? 30,000. 30,000. Again this CD will become BD here. So we'll write to balance BD 30,000, and we close this account. Okay, how to close? You just extend these lines. And we can close this account. Okay, just close this as we have closed this one. So this way I have taught you ledger. So I'll be giving you some questions. Please do it in your copy. Thank you, students.